तो जैसे ये एक्सीडेंट सामने आया है और बहुत बार हम सीरीज ऑफ एक्सीडेंट्स हम देखते जा रहे हैं, आगे के लिए क्या सुरक्षात्मक कदम उठाने चाहिए आपके हिसाब से?
पहली बात, सुरक्षा फर्स्ट, सेफ्टी फर्स्ट। जब तक सुरक्षा प्रथम नहीं होगी, ये धन कमाने की जो पैसा कमाने की जो ललक है, प्राइवेटाइजेशन करने की जो एक धुन सवार है, बेच दो सब कुछ अडानी को, बेच दो सब कुछ प्राइवेट सेक्टर में। रेल की पटरियां तो वही हैं, रेल की पटरियों पे बोझ बढ़ता जा रहा है, मानवीय सुरक्षा का भी ख्याल नहीं रखा जा रहा है। राहुल गांधी अभी मिले थे, कर्मचारियों को विश्राम की भी सुविधा नहीं है, लोको पायलट ने बताया, वर्क आवर्स ज्यादा है। तो इन सब को देखते हुए अगर हर महीने जान जा रही है लोगों की, यात्रियों की, तो रेल की जिम्मेदारी है ना कि सुरक्षित यात्री को उसके गंतव्य तक पहुंचाए। और इसमें रेल महकमा पूरी तरह असफल रहा है और कारण भी सामने। उनके लिए सेफ्टी फर्स्ट नहीं है, धन कमाना पहला है। तो इसकी जिम्मेदारी रेल मंत्री को लेनी चाहिए। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री को अगर याद करते तो शायद बहुत पहले इस्तीफा दे देते, पर अब तो अति हो गई है। रेल मंत्री वैष्णव जी को इधर उधर की बातें करने की जगह, राहुल गांधी का बयान देखने की जगह पहले रेल मंत्रालय देखें और इस्तीफा दें। नैतिक जिम्मेदारी ही नहीं लेते हुए पूरी तरह जिम्मेदार वो हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने बेच दिया है रेल को। ये जो बेचीकरण है, ये दुर्घटना के लिए जिम्मेदार है।
Operations are still to be on, so how do you see this?
Very, very unfortunate and saddest day for us. Because of Wayanad, one after another, tragedies happening there. This is what I have to say. Today morning we heard about this saddest news. Then onwards we are trying to involve maximum level rehabilitations and this measures, rescue measures to be taken by the government and other agencies. I informed Rahul Gandhi ji. Rahul Gandhi ji immediately called the district collector, then after called the chief minister. He told the chief minister and he offered full support for the chief minister if anything is needed from his side. And he asked the chief minister to what level rescue operations should be started. Then again he spoke to Honorable Union Defence Minister Rajnath ji also. Rajnath ji also told full cooperation. I think this is the hour of togetherness. We have to work together for making maximum people life will be safe and the other rescue operations should be made speedily.
Sir, will Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi will be going or visiting the Wayanad?
We are planning to go.
Wayanad landslide is a very shocking incident because number of people were killed. 11 people were killed is a first report, but number of people may kill, and also hundreds of people are different area because they could not go to the main place because the bridge is collapsed. Still the water is flowing, so situation is very deteriorated. The unimaginable situation is there in the after landslide. So picture is very shocking. Picture is coming out. So one village totally isolated and washed out. So the government of Kerala has started the early measures, and rescue operation already started. Government of India and Air Force and also NDRF team, everybody is reaching there. Even the ministers, political leaders, everybody is there, and the people's representatives also started the rescue operation war footing level. So very sad incidents which has happened in the Wayanad.
It's Mr. Vaishnav will be remembered as the minister not for railways but railway accidents. In his term, there are more railway accidents, but he gives assurance after assurance after assurance, but nothing stops. Therefore, Mr. Vaishnav must take responsibility. Without taking responsibility and accountability, this Modi government is just washing their hands on this kind of things, which is very dangerous. They call it Kavach and all other kind of names, but nothing works in this government's railway protection part. At last, the sufferers or the common people, they speaks all other big words, big slogans, but nothing works in the railways. For Mr. Vaishnav must take responsibility.
In Wayanad, sir, a lot of people have lost their lives and a lot of still are missing.
Yes, I heard the news very early in the morning, and I, in fact, issued a social media appeal for help, including from the NDRF, the National Disaster Relief Force. Meanwhile, the state is already active. They've sent their local disaster relief people. But the news a few minutes ago is that 24 lives are confirmed to have been lost already. There are more people missing. It's a very serious, grim situation. And I really hope and pray that that more lives will not be imperiled. We have to move very quickly. The Prime Minister's announced some compensation. We all know there is no real compensation for lives. What we need to do now is to get action on the ground as quickly as possible. I hope that they're flying NDRF people, the state people are already there, and we have to see if we can dig them out.